Sciences Po.
This workshop truly helped me to see what Sciences Po really is and go beyond my expectations of it. I'm much more able to show my students why it might be a great fit for them and which students really belong here.
I think the Sciences Po's main qualities are academic excellence and the ability to teach students critical and analytical thinking to tackle the hot issues of the contemporary world.
Le vertu sur le monde, le sérieux dans le travail et puis un très grand spectre d'analyse et puis une sorte de liberté de penser. Ça ouvre des champs de possibilités et ça permet de retourner plus tard dans son pays avec un plus.
In my opinion, Sciences Po means quality. For an international student, studying in France can be a plus in his curriculum.
French culture provides this idea of community, but this idea of excellence at the same time, and bringing those two together in a place like the school and university would be great for international students because they would get to see something completely different than what their home culture is.
It's a culture heritage of being able to speak your mind and to be open and honest, and I just think that's a really good, a skill and an opportunity in education to really work out what you think.
The amount of diversity, being surrounded by students from all over the world whom they can learn from and engage with, and its beautiful location and campuses all across France.
France is a country with a very, very rich history, with politically, culturally, economically. That's why that probably people around the world have a lot to learn from this experience. So being here in the French culture, in the heart of this everything, is going to be broaden your horizon about the world.